Good evening, students. Due to forced quarantine in our houses due to virus which is prevalent in the country, so I'll try to explain through online classes using this small whiteboard. So already we discussed about the how to compute total income and tax liability. Now we'll discuss about the problem number 5. This is the problem number 5 in the textbook, the Premraj Publications Amsarala. So the problem states that the fifth one, I'll read it and we'll discuss it. First of all, we write the format because the board is very small. I can't do anything. Roughly, I do the format, how to calculate the format is particulars column, amount column, and rupees column and rupees column. This is particulars. I'm writing in short form. Please excuse me for this because lack of space. I am doing this. I'll take the problem. Sri Pradeep Saxena, a resident individual, has furnished the following details for the previous year 1819. So this is we are trying to find out the total income. I am writing in short form total income for assessment year 1920. So we have to calculate total income for the current year, the assessment year 1920. For previous year income, you have to pay tax on current year income. So he has given the first one, income from salary computed. Now remember, computed means they have already made deductions like standard deductions under section 16(1) and like profession tax. We need not calculate again. So we directly put in the format income from salary computed. Computed means already it is already calculated. No need again calculating standard deduction. So income from salary. So what is it given in the problem? Income from salary. So I'm writing short form income from salary computed. In brackets I'm writing computed. So what is the total income here? This total income from salary is 5,60,600 per annum. I'm writing in rupees column 5,60,600. So this is the income from salary. The first part is over. The second in the problem has given a residential house property is purchased for 21 lakhs. So we'll take the working notes here. WN working notes. He has taken a property, house property, residential house property for 21 lakhs. Okay. It's taken for 21 lakhs. And is paying interest, 11% interest on 21 lakhs. So 11% interest on 21 lakhs. You might have done last semester about the problem from income from house property. So interest on housing loan you have to calculate in this case. So how to calculate interest? 21 lakhs into 11 by 100. So 11 by 100, 11% means 11 by 100. So it comes exactly as 2,31,000. 2,31,000. So this interest, what you will do while calculating income from house property, you will make this interest, you can deduct under reduction section 24, interest on home loan, while calculating income from house property. Now we'll calculate it. So this is already, we got the interest, you are paying this much of interest, 2,31,000, okay, on 21 lakhs. This is the total amount of the house, total cost of the house, total purchase price of the house, and he has taken a loan from the bank. He's paying interest 11%. Okay. So for that, the second part is, first part is over. This is first part, income from salary. Second part is income from HP, house property. Income from house property. Now, as you studied last semester, how to calculate income from house property? First, we need gross annual value. This is how much the taxpayer is receiving rent. Okay, is receiving rent. In the problem is stated in the fifth problem, the second bit, a residential house property is purchased for 21 lakhs, bank loan 11% interest on 3/4/2018, rent received from house property per annum 72,000. So he is receiving rent from the house property. How much is receiving? That is 72,000. The rent received, that becomes gross annual value. So we had discussed last semester the municipal rental value, annual rental value, expected rental value. We had discussed which I had to take higher of the two. So many things. But here directly is given rent received.
So the rent received is considered as gross annual value. From there, as you studied last semester, you had what you do? You deduct municipal taxes, municipal taxes. How much are municipal taxes given the problem here? It is given in the as a 10,000. Okay, this is per year. So reduce from 72,000 municipal taxes. The net value you will get, that is called, how much it comes from 32 minus 10, 62,000. This 62,000, that is called net annual value, NAV. Okay, from gross annual value, if you subtract municipal taxes, you get net annual value. Now what you will do, you make some deductions under the house property deductions, DED I'm writing under section 24. Okay, so first deductions you have to make it standard deductions. Standard deduction SD, that is 30% of NAV. What is 30% of NAV? NAV is 62,000. 60,000, 30%, that comes how much? It becomes 18,600. So 18,600. Okay, this has to be subtracted. This is called standard deductions. 30% of 62,000 get 18,600. One more you have to deduct is interest on that you have to calculate already. How much interest? 2,31,000. Interest on home loan, because you purchase for residential purpose home loan. How much interest of home loan? 2,31,000. Sorry, again, this is a very less space, small space. I did not accommodate so much of things. Clearly, it did not be seen. Okay, so you have to minus from 62,000 minus 18,600 minus 2,31,000. You will get again negative value in the outer column, that is minus 1,87,600. This is the net amount. You're getting a loss. You're getting a loss. So that is called the loss. 1,87,600 loss. So you get loss from house property. So the taxpayer is getting a loss from house property. Okay. So this is what we calculate according to income from house property. So first part you got income from salary. It is given computed, means after deductions already they have calculated. That is called computed. Computed means you have to put the value in the outer column. Let's see income from house property. First we take gross annual value. You have to deduct municipal taxes. Now what is gross annual value? In the problem is the rent received from the tenant. How much rent received per annum? 72,000. From that you have to deduct municipal taxes. You will get net annual value. Again from that you have to say deduct some deductions under section 24. One is standard deduction 30% of NAV, 18,600. One is interest on home loan, 2,31,000 has a calculated here. Then you will get loss from house property because it is negative value, minus 1,87,600. It will be a negative value. Okay, first part is over, second part is over. Okay, now please make a point of this. Then I will rub this. Or